In today's video, I'm going to teach you iPhone stuck in SOS mode. Here is what to do. If your iPhone says SOS in the status bar, it means it's lost connection to your cellular carrier and can only make emergency calls. Don't worry, this is usually fixable. We'll move through a few quick checks in a smart order so you can get reconnected as fast as possible. Start with a force restart. This doesn't erase your data. It simply refreshes the system. Quickly press and release volume up. Quickly press and release volume down, then press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Keep holding that power button a bit longer than you think. Let the logo fully appear before you let go. Next, try to reconnect to the cellular network. Open Settings and toggle airplane mode on. Wait a full 15 seconds so the radios truly reset. Then toggle it off. This forces your iPhone to drop and rebuild its connection to the towers. After that, check your line. Go to Settings, then Cellular or Mobile Service, and make sure your cellular line is turned on. If you use a physical SIM card, remove it carefully and reinsert it gently, making sure it's seated properly. Avoid touching the metal contacts and close the tray firmly. Now, make sure your software and carrier settings are current. Go to Settings, General, then Software Update and install any available iOS update. Updates often include fixes for connectivity issues. Then, while connected to Wi-Fi, go to Settings, General, and tap About. If a carrier settings update is available, you will see a prompt Go ahead and update. This helps your iPhone communicate correctly with your carrier's network. If things still seem off, reset your network settings. This clears out potentially buggy configurations, but does not delete your personal data. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset. Then reset network settings. Keep in mind this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth connections, so plan to reconnect those afterward. Your iPhone will restart once it's back on. Reconnect to Wi-Fi and check if SOS has cleared. If your iPhone remains in SOS mode, it may be an account or network side issue. Contact your wireless provider to confirm your account is active. Ensure your device's IMEI is registered correctly. And check for any local service outages or maintenance. They can verify your line status and help restore service if something's been paused or misconfigured. Follow these steps in order and you will typically resolve SOS mode without a trip to the store. Thanks for watching.